If you're looking for a way to add a border to your image in Affinity, here's how to do it. Now before anything else, I'm gonna increase the canvas size first to make room for the border. So I'll go to Document, then Setup, then Resize and click Canvas. Now you can see the canvas size here. This is the width and this is the height. Before I make any changes, I'll unlock the aspect ratio first. After that, I'll add 200 pixels to the width and 200 pixels to the height. So that gives us 2120 pixels for the width and 1280 pixels for the height. Or, let me undo this first. I can just type plus 200 directly into the width and height fields. You can see both values have increased by 200 pixels. I'll then change the anchor to center so the canvas expands from the center. Then I'll click Resize. And the canvas is bigger now. To add the border, I'm gonna select the image, go to the stroke panel, and drag the width slider. Let's set it to 100 point. We also don't want the border to overlap the image. So I'll click here to set the stroke alignment to outside. Now you can see the corners are rounded. And if you prefer sharp corners, you can click here to select miter join. You might also want to check scale with object. This keeps the border width proportional if you resize the image later. Next, let's click here to change the stroke color. I can use a solid color or even a gradient. Now we've got our border. And if you want to increase the border width, you'll need to increase the canvas size and adjust the stroke width accordingly. The maximum we can drag the slider is 100 point. But if you want a bigger number, let me drag the image aside so you can see the border better. You can click here and type in any number you prefer. So that's all for now. I hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!